So in this problem, we're going to start with trying to work our way over to the A. So I'm going to look right here. These are vertical angles. That's 110 degrees. And this is a straight line right here. So we know that 33 plus 110, plus something equals 180 degrees. So 33 plus 110 is 143 plus something equals 180. So you can do 180 minus 143, and that will give you 37. So we know that this angle right in here is 37. Now you also know that in a triangle, all angles add up to 180. So we have a 37, we have a 90, that's 90 degrees right there, and we have something that we don't know. So we're going to do 37 plus 90 plus something equals 180. 90 plus 37 is 127 plus something equals 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 127, and that gives you 53. So that means that this angle right here is 53 degrees. And then what you need to do is figure out, this is 180 degrees, and one of them's 53. We've got 53 plus something equals 180. So we'll do 180 minus 53, and that gives you 127 degrees. So that means that this angle right here is 127. Don't type in the degree symbol.